So you're getting an influx of t-shirt sales and you're trying to figure out how you can work smarter and not harder. Well, say no more, friends, because this video is going to be perfect for you. What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alex, the corporate finesser, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can mass produce your t-shirt designs using your Silhouette Cameo 4 and your roll feeder. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the video. Now, there is a part 1 to this video where I show you how you can use your roll feeder for the first time if you are new to the Silhouette Cameo world. So don't forget to check that out up here. Also, stay tuned to the end so I can show you guys some tips and tricks about what I do and how I can clean up my workspace faster and again, work smarter and not harder. Alright friends, so we're back into the Silhouette Studio Basic Edition. This is where I'm going to show you how you can pretty much mass produce your designs. So what you're going to want to do is remove your cutting mat. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to switch this from auto to none. And as you see here, the system recognized that I don't want to use a cutting mat, so it took it off. The next thing you're going to want to do is go down here to your height and you're going to change these dimensions. What I typically do, I do around like 20 to 25 in my height. And as you can see here, it just pretty much stretches it so I can add as many designs as I need to of course mass produce my design. Next, I'm going to just copy a few of these and just align them up with each other. Just going to do 3. All right, that looks good. And then also, if you have more room, you can also adjust your height, just because it's also going to be, less vinyl you're wasting if you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Perfect. So this looks good. I changed my height to 19 and now I still have some extra space. The next thing you're going to want to do is unselect this box right here where it says constrain media to cutting mat. The reason why you want to do that is because you want to make sure that the system recognizes that you're no longer using a cutting mat, so you don't need your design to be associated with that. So I'm going to unselect it. All right, that looks good. And then the final steps here, you guys, I'm just going to group all of these and then I'm going to also convert them to path. All right, and there you have it. So now I'm going to feed these through to my Cameo and you guys are going to see how you're going to mass produce your new designs here. Okay friends, so this is where we're going to get into some tips and some gem droppers. And so the Silhouette Cameo comes with like this this lever, I guess you call it a lever, where I can close it and it pretty much blocks the vinyl from feeding through. But you don't want this to be closed if you're mass producing, because you want your vinyl to feed through successfully, and so that's why I left it open. Another tip is that you actually have a built-in cutter with your Silhouette Cameo. And as you see here, I'm going to go ahead and feed the rest of my design in because I'm missing one. Perfect. So now all of my designs are here because I can see them. So then once my designs have been fed through, I'm going to close this lever. And if you guys see here, there is kind of like a slider, which is going to be my cutter. And I can cut this to where it just cuts very accurately. And now, here's all of my designs. I know you guys can't see them, but that's just how you can use your cutter on your Silhouette Cameo 4. And I just wanted to show you guys that. Alright friends, so here's what it looks like when you mass produce your designs. You're going to have all of your designs on, of course, one sheet. And then you can just cut it accordingly when you're ready to press your t-shirt. Alright friends, so you'll probably have, some little pieces left behind when you're cleaning up your workstation. So a good trick to do it faster is to use a fresh lint roller. And then you could just pick everything up at once. And that's it. Alright friends, so that is it for today's video on how you can mass produce your t-shirt designs using your Silhouette Cameo 4 and your roll feeder. I hope you guys like content like this, because I mean, I get really excited to show people how to use something. So just let me know down below in the comments. But as always, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and always choose yourself first. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace out.